Today I'm going to be cooking from our Thermomix Cookbook, Cooking for Diabetes. I'm going to be making you a pork with a coconut chili. It's a healthy and easy dish, a little bit fancy, and it's filling for a whole family. This recipe is on our Cookie-Do recipe platform, which means today I can follow it with guided cooking. We're going to be placing in some fresh long green chili, garlic cloves, some ginger, insert our lid and chop. We have some baking paper sheets that we have cut to size, and onto that we are going to place our pieces of pork fillet. We'll season them with some black pepper and brush with some hoisin sauce. Going to give us some beautiful color. Onto that, we're going to spread some of our chili and ginger mixture. Then we're going to wrap our pork fillets tightly in the paper to seal in a parcel. And we'll be placing that directly into our aroma dish. Once you've prepared and wrapped your pork and put it in the aroma dish, we're going to continue with the rest of our recipe. To our bowl, we're going to add our onion and some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to chop that and scrape down the sides of our bowl. And now we're going to saute without our measuring cup. We're going to transfer our sauteed mixture into a bowl. And now we're going to cook our rice, which we've weighed into our simmering basket, and we've rinsed it until our water runs clear. We are using basmati rice today, which is a lower GI option than white rice. And you can refer to the front of our book, which has all the information on low GI selections for following a diabetic diet. We're placing into our bowl 1,000 grams of water. Insert our simmering basket with the rice. We're going to place our aroma dish with our beautiful pork fillets into position. We're going to insert our aroma tray as well. So this is a wonderful family meal. And to that, we're going to weigh in some broccolini and some green beans. So as you can see, this is a layered dish with just 10 minutes active time, and the rest of the time your Thermomix is going to be doing all the work for you, and you can walk away and do something else. After just 15 minutes, our rice and vegetables are ready, and we're going to transfer them into our thermoserver to keep them warm. We'll move our rice with our spatula and add our beautiful steamed greens. And we'll cover that and set it aside to keep warm. And then we're just going to continue our pork fillets for a further 15 minutes. Our pork fillets are cooked to our liking, so we're just going to remove the aroma and set it aside for 10 minutes to rest. While that is resting, we're going to finish our coconut and chili relish. We've got our sauteed onions and chili that we prepared earlier. And to that we're going to add some chopped tomatoes, some lime juice, some toasted coconut, and of course some coriander. We're just going to toss that together. We sliced our rested pork, and it's beautiful and tender and juicy. We're going to serve that with our fresh relish. You can omit the chilies for a family-friendly recipe. We'll also serve it with some lime wedges. And of course, our rice with our beautiful steamed greens. So as you can see with our Diabetes Cookbook, you have simple, healthy, easy recipes that are suitable for everyone.